SmartLink remote diagnosis helps just click away. Got a tricky car problem? No worries. With SmartLink, you can chat with launch experts in real time and get it fixed faster, easier, and more professional. Here's what we can help with. For example, BMW SME data recovery, hybrid to gasoline conversion, Mercedes-Benz Stage 1 and 2 power upgrades, retrofitting and configuration, and so much more functions for you to explore. Getting started is super easy. First, log in at smartlink.x431.com. Second, activate SmartLink Super Remote Diagnosis function. And then shoot us an email with your device serial number at overseas.service@cnlaunch.com and grab 10 free credits. Let's make diagnostics simple, fast, and stress-free.